हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मेहर व्लॉग्स द हंग्री बाइकर। सो आज भाई दूज के दिन हम बना रहे हैं एक इलॉबरेट रेसिपी विच इज़ नल्ली निहारी, बट इन अ वेरी सिंपल वे। सो स्टे ट्यून विद अस फॉर दिस वंडरफुल एंड वेरी सिंपल रेसिपी। So we have taken 2 onions. Now we will slice it thinly, these 2 onions. So we can see our onions are thinly sliced. So let's start cooking. So we have put all the onions into hot oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. This is an elaborate dish, so we will make this onion nice and golden brown. So till then we will cook this onion. Our meat is here. So we have taken leg piece basically, so nice bone marrow pieces. So we will cook this once our onions are nice and golden brown. So we can see our onion is nice and brown. So what we will do is we will put our meat into this onion and just let it fry for 3 to 4 minutes into this onion. So we'll have a nice stir and we will allow this meat to fry for around 3 to 4 minutes. So now we can see the meat has turned little brown. So we will add 2 big spoons of ginger garlic paste into this and we will allow it to cook again for a couple of minutes so that the smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. So we have Hakim's Nalli Nihari masala. So we don't need to prepare the masala, we'll just add this masala. This is perfect, and we will add at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of this masala into our mutton and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So we are adding generous 2 to 3 spoons of this masala and we will allow it to cook. Now we will allow it to cook. So we will add here a teaspoon of red chili powder to give it a taste and allow it to fry for a couple of minutes. So we will add around 300 grams of yogurt and allow it to cook till the oil separates. So we have added the yogurt, beaten yogurt, and we will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high flame till the oil separates from the heat. So we can see the oil has nicely separated. Now we will put around 2 glasses of water into this. We will put around 2 glasses of water and we will close the lid and allow it to whistle cook. We will have 2 whistles and then allow it to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. So we have put the lid, okay, and we will close the lid nice and tight and we will cook it for 2 whistles. So our nihari has been cooking on a slow flame for around 15 to 20 minutes. So now we will close the gas and allow it to cook in its own steam till all the steam goes away. So our nihari is nicely done, and what we have done is we have removed the oil from this nihari. So I will tell you the reason why we have removed the oil, because we will be adding wheat flour paste into this and allow it to cook for another like 5 to 6 minutes, so that all the oil will be soaked up by this wheat. And then when we garnish, we will put that oil onto this. So we will allow it to cook this for another 5 minutes. So our nihari is cooked. Now we will plate the nihari. So you can serve it with rice, roti or chapati. And now we'll drizzle this oil onto it. And we'll garnish with some nice fresh cilantro. So that's it. Our Nalli Nihari is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. I hope आपको ये रेसिपी पसंद आई होगी, और अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे तो प्लीज़ do subscribe to my channel Meher Vlogs The Hungry Biker, and if you like this recipe, please do give us a like, and thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.